Radio's back! Back again! Swerving's back! Tell your friends! I'm back out on the roads. On a lonely, lonesome highway, east of Omaha. You can't let that too. Woo! God damn it, man. Oh, how I missed this. Oh my God, baby, I missed you so much. Oh my God. I'm back. We are freaking back, guys. I thought I'd never be back on this bike, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I'm sorry. I'd hate to say it because I know y'all missed the vlogs for like 2 weeks, but wrecking this bike probably was one of the better things I could have ever done as far as like things happening to me, because this thing looks so much better green. I mean, I'm sorry I didn't do a video putting it together. I got all the parts in. I had been out all day. I came home and I was like, you know what? I'm just going to put it together. I didn't want to be distracted because I didn't know how the bike came apart in the front end, and it was a trick to putting it back together. I love it. I love the way this bike looks. It's, oh my God. Y'all don't understand. I was so bored not having a bike to ride. I was sweeping the grass, mowing the kitchen floor. You know, I was folding the dishes, and you know, it was crazy. I was doing all kinds of dumb shit. Oh, I also have a different helmet now. The audio is probably a lot better in this helmet. If I had to guess, I don't know because I ain't heard it yet. The audio is probably a lot better in this helmet because this is my original motorcycle helmet. Of course, when I wrecked the bike, you don't reuse a helmet that you wrecked in. Even though it did not scratch the helmet in one spot, I don't trust it. I don't want it on my head. My brain in my head worth a lot of money to me. In fact, my brain in my head is actually worth, quite, but it's worth my life, you know. But guys, I'm so freaking happy to be back. Oh my God. Yeah! Woo! Oh my God, I love it. But you know, there's been some stuff going on since I ain't been vlogging. You know, which consists of nothing. So yeah, there's all that's been going on in my life is nothing. I'm actually going to show y'all where I wrecked the bike at today because I got to go by there anyway. Whee! This thing runs so freaking good now. I don't know what the difference is. Probably, it literally looked like King Kong took a shit in the air filter. It did. I pulled the gas tank off. I took the air box off because that switch broke. This one right here, it broke when I wrecked the bike. So I had to change it. And that cord goes down between the forks and plugs in underneath the air box. You can't get to it without taking the air box out, which is the velocity stacks and all. So I had to take all that apart. And I said, well, hell, I'm going to take the air filter out of it. So I did. And it literally, I swore when I took the top off the airbox, King Kong got out and took off running because it looked like he took a shit in my air filter. Oh, listen to that sound, boys and girls. It's big boom boom bells. They go round and round. The hay and the bells go round and round, round and round, round and round. The hay and the bells go round and round, all through the town. But you know what you guys missed of everything? Way more than anything else? A weeble and a wobble, but a wobble. Well, hold on. No, we gotta change. We gotta remix this. A weeble and a wobble, and I 99% of the time won't fall down. There we go. We got Harley Davidson in front of me. That's what it do be though. It's a big old Cremusa that actually kind of looks like a Goldwing. Excuse me, buddy. I'm gonna need some of that air fire protection. I gotta get protected from the fire. Oh my god, it's so cool under here. The air feels good blowing across me. Oh my god, it makes me feel like a king. No, the only other thing that sucks about this bike is you slide into the tank all the time. And you know what that does to your thingamabobbies? You know, the men have this problem. It beats them into the tank. The tank's like, the tank is Floyd Mayweather and my nuts are Manny Pacquiao. Like, literally, they're just getting the shit beat out of them. Or here's a better analogy. Here's a better analogy. The tank is Jake Paul and my nuts are Anision Gibb. Oh, fuck. Woo. Man, that worried me. I thought I'd go wreck you again. Do you ever wonder if fish have their own little community underwater? Does that ever cross y'all's minds? It does mine. Every time I see them, I'm like, I wonder if they have their own form of currency and stuff. Like they buy and sell and trade. You know, you've got like the drug dealing fish. They're like, hey, yo, man, you want some of this good coral reef? Hey, yo, brother, you want some of this good seaweed? Yeah, got some of this good seaweed. Guys, right here is where I wrecked the bike. Right here. Right here. I was laying up there. The bike was up in the bushes back there. Well, it did make me cry. When I see I'm not gonna lie to you, I cried like a fucking baby. When I looked up and seen my bike laying in the ditch, I said, oh my god, Becky, look at that bike. It is so fucked. It looks like one of those fucked up motorcycles. I like wrecked bikes and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't deny. And if a bike rolls in, I don't know how to put that song, but yeah, we'll just go on with that. Yeah. We're on the way home today. But this is where I wrecked. I topped this hill. Holy shit. Hopefully not in the other lane. But I topped this hill like 70 and I started slowing down. And I started into this curve, and right about here is where that thing started sliding. And you see that tree? I didn't want to hit that. So I stood it up, and then it just slid out, right out from under me, and it went into the bushes right there. And when I got up, I was laying right there. But it was not fun time. It sucked very bad. Oh, you sucker when you wreck. Oh, you sucker when you wreck. Oh, why you wreck on the motorcycle? Oh my god, this thing is running so much better. Man, who'd have known an air filter would change a bike so much? Oh my god. It's like losing my virginity all over again. You know what's weird? Most people wreck bikes. I guess it's from riding dirt bikes all those years. But most people wreck a bike and then they don't want to get back on it, or like they get scared. If I had a words of wisdom, if you mess up, don't worry about it. It's okay. We all make mistakes. Shit happens. Life goes on. Do not let it define you. I rode dirt bikes. We wrecked. We crashed. I crashed a four-wheeler on a double one time. Flipped. Had the thing mash me into the landing ramp, into the actual jump, the tip of the jump on the next ramp up. It knocked the wind out of me. I laid on the ground, and my brother was like, "Are you all right?" And I was like, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. And as soon as I got up and got my shit back together, he was sitting on a dirt bike, and I said, "Let me see that thing." He said, "What are you doing?" I said, "Give me the dirt bike." And I come back across the field, and I jumped all three of the jumps that time. But we're not going to throw in there, we're totally not going to add in the fact that, you know, I got to the end of the rhythm section, and, you know, I didn't turn. I went straight over the berm. You know, we're not gonna add that in there. I went straight over the berm and wrecked the bike. But just don't let shit stop you from doing what you love. If you fuck up, it's okay. If you make a mistake, it's okay. Shit happens. I went into that curve. Was I going too fast? People would, I mean, by a law, yes. but I could take that turn a hell of a lot faster. But you cannot let that kind of thing define you. You've gotta get back on the horse. You've gotta keep on pushing forward. When shit gets hard and, you know, shit's trying to mentally beat on you, you've got to get up, get some grip, get some traction under your feet, and drive right through it. And not let it slow you down at all. You never give in. But now, the vlogs are going to be back in full swing. This is kind of just like a welcome back. We're here. What up? We on the road. Got the bike. She green. She mean. She a machine. And she ready to give her the peen. Okay? But I do have to pee. Oh my god. Man, I have to pee. If this video gets 100,000 likes, I'll pee my pants. No, we're close to 10,000 subscribers. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys later. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. Goodbye! Goodbye!